Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Orchard Services, and today I'm here to talk to you about firecrackers. So, it's not the 4th of July. This is something fun that you can have in your landscape year-round. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't bloom year-round, but it does provide a lot of color for a very long time. So from late spring, probably more like early summer, all the way until we get a hard freeze, this guy here is going to be blooming. And hummingbirds and butterflies absolutely love this plant. So it has these, what I would call a really dark orange, some people might call it red, flower. They're little honeysuckle type flowers, and the butterflies and the hummingbirds love this guy. So they'll come in here and get their nectar and go on from there. As you see, it kind of gets its name from this exploding firecracker type look that you get with this guy. It does put off these long stalks that I don't really care for very much. I like to keep mine pruned back. So these really thick stalks, I'll take them back and I'll just cut these off to the ground back here. And so then you get this soft wispy look here on this one. And I will try to keep it kind of in that 18 to 24 inch range. But as you see, it can get to be quite a bit taller, but these stalks just don't provide as much flowering as the other. There's really no insects or diseases you have to worry about. The deer don't really like to nibble on this one very much. It's just great to add some excitement. It also pairs really well with the plumbago that I have right over there, the orange, the blue. I'll also every once in a while throw an esperanza in there as well too, so add some yellow. It's just a great way to add some excitement to your landscape. I have it draping over some boulders. I haven't had to do anything to this thing. I don't cover it in the winter for freezes. I'll just let it freeze back to the ground, and then in the spring I'll give it a nice haircut, cut it back as low as you can, and then it just comes back naturally on its own. This one has been here for 5 years, and I have done absolutely nothing to it besides cut it back in the spring, and every now and then, about once every few months when it gets these long stalks, I'll cut these back off to the ground. Just that's my preference. I like things a little bit shorter, but you do you. Do something fun in your landscape today. Thank you.